Today we'll be checking about the error correction methods in data communication. Okay, mainly the error correction is nothing but when an information is being passed from one end to another end. The receiver end, it may be like having some information which is not said to be received properly. It may be having some errors. So at that time it should be rectified and it should be traversed back. Okay, so here automatically one algorithm it will be running and it will be checking that particular errors within that particular data and it will be transferring to the other end. Automatically it should happen, it shouldn't be intervening with any other task within the things. Okay, that is said to be the error correction. There are various methods. So one of the method is said to be a Hamming code. Okay, in that you may be checking the information, single bit errors are said to be checked. Okay, the receiving end, it may be checking the single bits only. Let the data bits be M and let the redundancy bit, or you can say the parity bits, R. Okay, the total message is M plus R. Message which is sent is bits plus the redundancy bit. So how do you check it? Is 2 to the power 2, for example, is equal to, it's nothing but 4. Okay, is greater than equal to M when I said to be consider it as 4. Okay, 4 plus R plus 1, 4 plus R plus 1, 4 plus 1 plus M is nothing but 4 bits, 4 plus 1 plus 1 if I consider, it is 6. So 6 is greater than 4, greater than equal to 4, no. So when once again we consider 3 bits, so 2 to the power 3, 8 bits. So 4 message bits, you consider the 8 bits data. So it should be what? 4 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, so 8 is greater than 7, it will become. So this is said to be correct and it will be moving for the next part. So whenever it is being checked, remember it will be using the data bits plus the redundancy bits for the checking of the error. Okay, so Hamming code is one of the technique which is said to be using the concept. Here if you consider the bits, bit is said to be, okay, 9 bits are there. In that 9 bits, you have 4 parity bits. It may be represented like that. R is nothing but the parity or the redundancy bits, and these are the message bits which you are sent. So when I am checking the error, I have to use that parity bits and check the element. Okay, so here you can check out how the parity bits are said to be differentiated. You all know the binary numbers, how they are said to be represented. 1 is nothing but 0001, 3 is 0011, 5 is 0101, and 7 is 10111, 9 is 1001, and 11 is 1011. So like that the information bits are being calculated. So when both are said to be joined, when it is said to be transferred to the other end, it will be combined and it will be placed on the things. Okay, so like that it will be transferred and it will be considered. Okay, so in the parity checking, when I want to check and when I want to combine all the 4, it will be in this way, it will be combined. You can check out, it is 7 6 5 4. All the elements are combined in a single one and it will be placed. When it is 8 bit ka, it will consider other bits and it will once again combine. Like that it is being considered. Then Hamming code an example, when you consider the parity bits which are there. So for example, a message bit is being given here. Okay, that it is being placed. It is said to be here the P1, P2, P3, P4. Okay, like that it is being placed. So P1, P2, P3, P4 are R1, R2, R3, R4. Redundancy bits and the message bits are being placed here. This 1 here, 0 here, 1, 1, 0, 0 and 1. This it is being placed here. Okay, you all know how it is being checked. So when it is being checked, R1, adding R1, when it is said to be take 1, leave 1. That concept is there. Take 2, leave 2. Take 2, leave 2. Take 2, leave 2, take 2, leave 2, take 2. Like that is R2. And R4 is take 4, take 4, this 4. Okay, this since it is parity bits you are not considering, it will be considered from the P4 bit. Okay, from here you consider take 4 and leave 4. Take 4, leave 4. Take 8, leave 8. Like that concept is adding R8. Okay, so message bit, when an error is being considered, I want to calculate the error in the single bit. For example, the sent information is being like this, and the received is said to be like this. The error is being received here, it is transferred from 1 to 0. When it is being checked, here it is being checked with the concept of how you have done take one, leave one, take one, leave one, that concept. Okay, if you are checking for even parity or odd parity, you have to check it. So if even parity, you have to check in that particular format, like P1, this, sorry, this one, this one, this one, take one, leave one, take one, leave one. So you have how many odd number of or even number of? You have a even number of, odd number of ones here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Even number, so it will be 1 here. Okay, next one, when you move, here also you have even number of 1. So it is said to be fine. Okay, here also it is said to be even number of 1s, odd number of 1s. Okay, so here also it is said to be fine. Odd parity, and here it is said to be having even number of 1. So an error exists here, so it is said to be returning 0 here. Means what? In the 7th place, when you combine all of them, it is 1, 1, 1 and 0. When it is being combined here, it will resemble in the element 7. So here an error is there in the 7th element. So whenever it is being transferred, it changes from the 7th position element to 1, and it will be changing the bit. So 7th bit is nothing but, when I want to check it, you can check out here the 7th element which is being printed here. 7th element, whichever error is there, is from the 7th data bit element. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that it will be checking, and in that particular place it will be transferring the 0 to 1. Okay, this is your 7th place. So this is your 7th place. This 7th place, it will be changed from 0 to 1. Okay, so like that it is checked, and it will be transferring the information and checking the error for the information. This is called as Hamming code checking. Okay. So in the next session, we will be dealing with the other concept of how errors are being rectified. Okay. Thank you.